Hello and welcome. So today we are doing a non-park day here at Walt Disney World. So we are going to be going to Disney Springs this morning. We are going to try some Gideon's cookies for the first time. We've never tried Gideon's cookies before. So we're going to see what they're all about because everybody goes on about them. I hear multiple people in the park going on about how they're going to get a Gideon's cookie. So I'm going to go get a Gideon's cookie. I might get a few just to give them a few tries. Try them all, see if they're nice. Do loads of shopping, no doubt, because I'm with Chloe, so Chloe's probably going to go around buying loads of stuff. I've given her a budget for today, and she's probably going to blow that, but we'll see. And she is a shopping addict. You are. To be fair, I've bought more stuff. I've bought more stuff. Only in Disney. Every time I come back, there's a parcel coming through the door. She hides the parcels now sometimes. She hides the parcels, sneaks them upstairs so I don't see them. But anyway, we are now waiting for the boat, so because the boat to Disney Springs departs at 10 AM. We thought it was 9 AM, so we've got up ready, but my fault. Well, not my fault actually. The man said, when I asked him what time, he said 9 AM first departure. So he said 9. So then we're going to go, once we've done Disney Springs, we're going to come back and we're going to go in the swimming pool. I'm debating if we're going to go in the pool here at French Quarter, or what one's open? Blizzard Beach. Yeah, because there's a Frozen section there, and I think is currently obsessed with Frozen. So either one. So I invite you to join us. It is another beautiful day here in Florida. It's going to be sad to go home to where it's raining most of the time and the sun's out maybe one day a month. So we're going to make the most of it as we can. But we've been lucky this trip. We've had good weather this entire trip. And we're over here. We're going to get the boat. We have arrived at Disney Springs. So that boat journey took us 15 minutes. So now we're going to head over to Gideon's, because I anticipated lying, because that was a bit longer than unusual. The boat arrived 15 minutes later then. So I'm excited to try some cookies. It's been a while since we've been to Disney Springs. It's been about 1.5 years. We didn't come on our last trip, but we did go on the last 2 and 3 before that. If you don't know what it is, it's basically Disney's giant shopping mall center type thing. Basically, there's hundreds of shops in here, like the Lego store there. The biggest Disney store in the world is over there, the World of Disney. It's got loads of restaurants, loads of attractions to do, like that big balloon about to go up into the sky. And it's just a place that most people come and just spend a big buckload of money. So we have a change of plan, is that we are not lining up for this. This is currently 1.5 hours. It goes all the way around here. I'm sorry, but who is... I know. Who is queuing 1.5 hours for a cookie? I know. I wouldn't even queue that long for a ride. Honestly, it goes all the way down here. 1.5 hours for a cookie. A cookie! Wow. And I bet you they're like $10 each. I don't even know what they are.
They're probably nice, but I can't justify.
Yeah, they probably are nice, but I could not justify waiting that amount of time there. 1.5 hours. And the queue even goes inside the building. So yeah, no thank you. So I think what we're going to do instead is we're going to go to Salt and Straw, which does like different flavour ice creams. And that's only like a 2-minute wait, so I'm happy to do that. 2 minutes, I don't mind, but 1.5 hours, oh my God. That's just crazy. For a cookie. So Salt and Straw are known for their different types of flavour ice cream.
Barbecue cream.
Strawberry, honey, balsamic, black pepper. Oh, I might try the strawberry and coconut sherbet.
Really very different flavours.
That sounds nice. I might get that. Are you getting the fleckled mint chocolate chip?
That's what I was going to get.
All right.
Or the peanut butter.
Let's get them too then. So I went with a strawberry coconut sherbet. And Chloe went with, what did Mummy go with?
Freckled mint.
Freckled mint, which just looks like mint. So So we are going to make our way into all the shops here at Disney Springs, because we're going to spend an absolute fortune probably, just because of this one. Here is on a mission to buy everything she can. These made me laugh. Sit and stay, you will. That's so cool. Little dog ones. How much are they? $24.99. If I had a dog, I'd get one of them. Oh, these are the bags that you keep going on about.
£70.
$70 for that. So what is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a backpack.
It looks like it's on your back.
Oh. Put two straps on it, I can't see him. Turn around. Oh, Vina! Mummy's got Yoda on her back. What's he doing on there?
I did used to have a...
Vina just only cares about whatever that is.
I don't know.
Chance cubes. Oh, do you want me to have the ice cream? Okay. I think I've got 2 shopping addicts now. God help me. I followed a new species. Hold on. Called Chloe. She has spotted her prey. Is she going to go for the kill? She does. She's gone in for the kill. That's nice. How much is that one? $60 for that. They're all quite nice. They're all about the same price, aren't they? They're all $60. I do like these baseball jerseys. Maybe not the Stitch one, personally. But that's... I don't know. I like these baseball jerseys, but maybe not Stitch. If they had like a Toy Story one, like another Toy... or a Star Wars one. I'd get a Star Wars one. I got a Toy Story one similar yesterday, but I'm going to maybe get a Star Wars one if they have it. Oh my god, this must be kids' hats, because that's on the end. Oh, my bad. How much are these? These are $30. I like it. I like that. Oh, that is my type of jacket. I can't get another jacket though. I've got too many jackets. So that is $50. Fina's just more than happy to sit down and eat, well, Mummy's ice cream. Well, it's yours and Mummy's. Is it nice? Yeah. Yeah, if they had a Pluto one, I think you'd buy it. They're nice. How much are they? 60 for the jumper and 35 for the t-shirts. But they got Mickey Mouse is there, Donald, Daisy and Minnie. Anyway, yeah, everyone but Pluto. You have to sit on it. It's like Fina's heaven. You can't pull them off. Fina, you can't pull them off. They do, they just stay on. So I think I need to start being a bit worried, because I think if Fina... Oh. Are you going to be a little shopping addict like Mummy? Yeah, do you like shopping? Yeah. Oh, thank you. I got a kiss. Or was you just wiping your mouth on me? She was just wiping her mouth on me, of course she was. So you could honestly spend a good day here and a good amount of money here just buying all the stuff. There's so many different, all these shops have different collaborations with Disney. So like if you go into, like Chloe just tried to go into Kate Spade, they have like a collection in there as well with Disney. So it's just like, all these shops along here seem to just have Disney stuff in them, even though they're not Disney brands. So you could possibly end up walking away spending a fortune, and at the minute we haven't spent a penny, apart from the ice cream. So, yet. Okay, yet. I anticipate that's going to change after we eat, which we're going to go and do now, which, I'll be honest, I might go to the chicken guy. I think we're going to go to the chicken guy, because I've heard good things about it, and I just walked past it, and it smells absolutely incredible. So we're going to go get some chicken. So food has arrived. I went with a 5 chicken tender with 2 sauces. I only went with the barbecue brown sugar one. But you also got a, I don't know if you can even see that, donkey sauce, which doesn't sound right, but it's like a mayo, garlic, honey dip or something, and then a buttermilk ranch. And Athena has just gone with a ketchup, which she's squeezing on her plate. All the dips just taste like they are ranch, like a garlic mayo, and a barbecue sauce. Chicken just tastes like chicken. Chips taste like chips. I think it's just there to fill a hole. Nothing special, just nice. Go hot. It is time to get our swimming costume on, as we are going to go to Blizzard Beach, I think, because the one here at the resort is a little bit busier than I thought it would be. So we're going to go to Blizzard Beach, and for the first time in... Got Frozen stuck in my head still. We didn't spend anything. We didn't spend anything at Disney Springs. We didn't spend anything in a shop, which is quite surprising.
Could have easily bought stuff, but we're strange.
Could have very easily brought stuff, she said. What do you want to talk about?
I can read Elsa pool.
Oh, we're going to the swimming pool.
Yeah.
Who's in the pool? It's a Frozen pool, Elsa pool.
Yeah.
Ah.
We go swimming.
We're going swimming. You excited?
Yeah.
Give me a woohoo. She's excited for the swimming pool. Only because we told her there's Frozen, there's Elsa and all that in the swimming pool. And she was like, oh. So, let's head there. Get our swimming costumes on. We've got to get the bus to Blizzard Beach. Let's go do this. We have made our way over to Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park. So this is the one that's open at this time of year. We've been here before. We've been to both of them actually, and they both got different qualities. But we do like this one. It's got the Frozen little kids pad in it. Are you excited? You excited to go swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are we going to go down a slide or not?
Yeah.
You going to go down the slide?
Yeah.
I don't know if you will. Will we give it a go? Go on then, go. Go, 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 go. Follow mummy. Why are you sitting down? Go, go, go. So it's either Blizzard Beach or Typhoon Lagoon that is open. So maybe check that before you come out. Both are very, very good water parks. We've been to both of them, and honestly, we can't compare the both. I think the best kids play area is probably Blizzard Beach, but Typhoon Lagoon is just as good. And I think Typhoon Lagoon probably has a bit more thrill. Yeah, Typhoon Lagoon is a bit... No, this one's a bit more interactive. Oh, again, if you can try both, you can try both. Sometimes they're both open. But again, it's personal preference. Tina, who's that?
Alright, we're gonna go up.
Oh, wow. Who is it? Oh, I'm getting wet. 1 minute. I'll do cheese, 1 minute. Athena's just noticed Sven and Christoph. She's like, Dad, I want picture. I want picture. Who is it? Yes, Christoph and Sven. She's so excited to be here, honestly. Athena's getting a bit brave. She wants to go in that. No, you chickened out. Go underneath it then. No. And there is Olaf. Chloe don't even realise I'm taking a video. I did do a photo. She's all happy that she gets to meet Olaf. Go on then, you go by yourself. Or is she gonna do it? Is she gonna do it? Oh my god, she did it. Good job. Good job. Was that good? Yeah, you enjoy that one. Mummy's turn. Let Mummy do it. Move out the way, let Mummy come down. Woo! Mummy got a mouthful. Well done. Vina, you having fun? What are you doing? Oh, you're swimming. Mummy's been logged in doing that. That is living his best life, just floating about. Oh, you get splashed. I'm gonna splash you. Ah! Ah! Oh, I crashed. Ah, you get me wet. Oh! Living my best life. Uh-oh, I'm going the wrong way. I'm going backwards. I don't like going backwards. Uh-oh. Oh god, that sun is bright. Just chilling out on my lazy river. Oh, now I'm spinning that way. I'm spinning that way. There's... Chloe don't want to get in one because she's being boring.
I'm trying to hold on.
It's an excuse. Chloe got in that. Chloe went down that slide a minute ago. I was like, it's freezing. It's not cold. It's actually hot. Who's splashing me? Splash. Look at that miserable face. Chloe don't like it when I get her wet. Oh, I'm one of them. I'm one of them annoying ones. They love to just wind everyone up. Mummy's getting annoyed. You can't get me. Uh-oh, we're going through the water. You've gone behind me. You used me as a shield. Oh man, that was cold. I'm gonna let you go. Bye. No, oh no. Oh god. You are dangerous. Dangerous. Go. Look. I'm an evil person.
James and Athena going into the wave pool. Ready?
Run! Keep going! She can't keep up. Wow! She comes. Oh, let's go backwards. Woo! Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Whee! Oh! Was that fun? You didn't like that one? Athena's at that awkward age where she can't go on a lot. So it's more like we can only do like the kids rides in the little splash area. We tried to go on some of the bigger slides, but they won't let us take her on. So she's excited because she gets to go down these little slides here, which she's excited to go down. She wants to go down it again. She says she just went down it and she wants to go down again and again, as they do. So once they discover something new, they just always want to do it again and again and again. If you parents out there, you know exactly what it means. So we've made it back to French Quarter and we are going to tuck into some much needed high-end dose sugar beignets. Go on and you have one. Oh wow. Oh, the powder just goes everywhere. Don't matter. It goes everywhere anyway. The tables are full of it. Hey, look at me. You got it in your hair too. It's all in your hair. The sugar is all in your hair. Dust it off. No. You enjoying them? Yeah, living your best life at the minute. And with that, we are done for today. So it's been a very relaxing day today. We've not really done anything to do in the parks. We've just more had a chill time. We went to Disney Springs. My brain went blank. We went to Disney Springs this morning. Didn't buy anything in Disney Springs, which was very shocking. But we ended up buying something when we come back to the resort, which I'll probably do a haul video. I've been told that I probably need to do that from Chloe. Chloe said I need to do a haul video because apparently I've brought too many stuff. I brought like...
We've got pins, drawers, t-shirts.
Pins, drawers, t-shirts, jumpers. Yeah, Chloe likes a haul video. I have no idea what a haul video is. I assume it's to show what you bought, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what it is. And then we went to Blizzard Beach, which was really good. It's very busy because it's obviously a Saturday. And obviously with Blizzard Beach, because Athena is a certain age and certain height, there's a very limited on what she can go on. So it was more a case of just letting Athena have a good time in the pool. She was there for about 2.5 hours and she loved it. We loved it. We've had a good day. Tomorrow we're in Magic Kingdom pretty much all day. So excited to do that. And then that is us done. We've eaten. We're done. We're going. We're saying bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Good job. Bye.